Is the economy stunting real estate activity in Austin? Welcome back to my Austin, Texas real estate market update. My name is Ryan Gomillion, and I am your Gomillion agent right here in Austin. I study the market each and every day, doing the research and staying on top of the trends just for you. In this video, we'll dive into the market stats for May 2025 and talk about what they mean for you and your real estate plans. Let's start by comparing the data to this time last year and to last month. As of May 1st, the median sales price in the Austin metro area was $438,000. This is down 2% from May 1st of 2024 and is up $13,000 from April 1st of 2025. The average days on market is at 62 days, which is up 5 days from May 1st of 2024 and is down 20 days compared to last month. Closed sales are at 2,849, which is down 14.5% from what we saw on May 1st of 2024. Closed sales increased by one sale compared to April 1st of 2025. New listings are at 6,658, which is up 10.5% from May 1st of last year. New listings are up by 684 listings compared to last month. Homes are selling for an average of 94.87% of their original list price, which is a 0.49% increase from May 1st of 2024. This is a 0.69% increase compared to April. While we are seeing more activity compared to what we've seen in 2025 so far, there is a marked decrease from what we usually see at this time of year. People reach out to me about moving to Austin all the time, and I love it. Whether you're looking to move or sell your home in the next 9 days or 90 days, then call, text, or email me and I'll be happy to help. Mortgage rates kept the same highs and climbed higher after the economic shakeups in April. After the tariff announcements, delays, and re-announcements, mortgage rates stayed fairly high compared to the beginning of the year. In times of volatility, when there isn't much data to go off of, rates tend to stay conservatively high as the market tries to price in the economic fluctuations. Another thing that hurt rates in May was that Moody's credit rating agency downgraded the U.S. credit rating on a global scale, which caused ripples through the global market as each country reacted to the news. It wasn't a huge surprise, as S&P Global Rating and Fitch Group had already downgraded the U.S., but it was another bump on a bumpy economic ride over the past few months. All of this has been decreasing demand for Treasury bonds, which has put even more upward pressure on mortgage rates. Then, also, the Fed did not adjust the federal funds rate at their May meeting. We have quite a few factors influencing rates right now and not much data in a post-tariff environment. Higher rates do decrease home affordability, and while rates have hit 3-month highs, national averages are within a few tenths of a percent from where they were. Taken into consideration with the decreased home prices in Austin, the home affordability picture hasn't changed too much. This doesn't help the overall buyer sentiment though, which has been a factor in the current Austin market. There are many new construction specials helping ease financing costs, and even some resale homes offering rate buydowns or even loan assumptions. While rates are higher, environments like this create opportunities if you look for them. If you're thinking of making a purchase this year or in early 2026 and you feel discouraged by mortgage rates, then let's chat to see what your complete purchasing picture looks like. It may be more positive than you think. It's the middle of the busy real estate season, but it's not quite as busy as it usually is. Overall, there's about a 15% reduction in activity compared to last year, and about the same reduction for what is usually expected at this time of year. While the buyer activity is lower, the seller activity is not, and housing inventory is very high as a result. We've been hovering around 6 months of inventory for the past few months and don't really have an end in sight to it right now. This has continued to put downward pressure on home prices as sellers become increasingly more motivated and buyers are hesitant to commit unless they are getting a substantial deal. With over 17,000 properties listed for sale in the Austin area, not including what is off market, it's tough to blame homebuyers for this stance. When considering listing your home, it is important to fully understand your own motivations and understand that you will need to adapt as the market continues to change. As I usually say, price is your number one determiner of activity in this market. If the home is not priced properly, then activity will be limited. Marketing, condition, and location also play into this equation, but ultimately there is a price where a homebuyer will compromise on these other factors for. So if you have your home listed and the location and condition is not turning people away, make sure you're understanding at what price points the current buyers are making moves at. Overall though, the median sales price did increase from last month, showing that despite decreased activity, this time of year does see the most activity and thus higher sales prices. Also, the percentage of list price to close price did shrink some, showing that prices have started to come down closer to the levels that they should be at. And now that pretty much all of the grade schools are out for the summer, families and those making summertime relocations will continue to enter the market. If you need to sell your home this year, have the conversations about price and what you need to net early on so you can have the right expectations moving forward. Inventory is high and prices are lower, creating a unique opportunity for home buyers in Austin. Seriously, inventory is high and is at some of the highest levels it has been in the past 10 years. There are over 17,000 properties listed in the Austin area, and with under 3,000 closings each month, that leaves 14,000 opportunities. If your economic situation allows for it, you can find an incredible deal in this market, with each price point offering a different kind of deal. Right now, the most activity in Austin is occurring at $500,000 or less, so if that is your purchase price, then you'll face a bit more competition compared to the $1 million plus price point. Regardless, you'll find many motivated sellers that are open to working with you. And while mortgage rates are back in the sevens again, check with your lender to see where you're getting quoted on at the local level and what creativity you can take into your home purchase to ease the financing costs. New construction homes are also offering some substantial deals right now, particularly financing deals, and then also flex cash that can be used for a variety of things. Builders are still building based on the building permits being issued in Austin, but if their inventory doesn't move as quickly as expected, keep an eye out for even better end of the year and end of financial quarter specials. Overall, inventory homes offer the best deals, but you can still find some great specials on design and build depending on the neighborhood. Your time frame will be the largest determining factor, so make sure you have that nailed down along with your financing and search area before getting out to look at homes. There is a lot of doom and gloom around real estate in the media right now, but these environments create opportunities for those that know how to look for them. In May 2025, the Austin real estate market witnessed a median sales price of $438,000, which is 2% lower than this time last year, and an average days on market of 62 days. National mortgage rate averages have climbed to the low sevens, and housing inventory is right at 6 months of inventory. Homebuyers have great opportunities if their economic situation allows, and sellers need to prioritize their selling goals in a period of immense competition. Thanks for joining me on this detailed look at the May 2025 Austin real estate market. For more valuable insights and real estate related content, like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to have a personal conversation about your real estate plans, then you can reach out to me using the information in the pinned comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.